You guys want to do a little segment of like rate our friends back home?
Yeah, give me that.
Smash.
Yeah?
Smash. Smash.
No, you have to give them a rating.
Yeah, okay, we will. Smash.
Okay.
Yo. In the chat, send it to my phone. I'm gonna show them. Send the picture you want to my phone.
Send a picture or
Yeah,
the
on
IG?
Snap. On Snap.
You can look and show the IGs.
On the IGs?
Yeah.
Any pic? Nah. Give me one to show.
Go to the bottom one first.
This one?
Like is shit, nah.
Nah, this one's the best.
Nah.
They're all RIZZ.
This is to avoid
His highlights. Show his highlights. It's gotta be
Give me some
something.
RIZZness.
I don't know.
He's gotta have like a braid up
This guy's
picture.
back.
Like from bias.
Bro has no braid up picture.
Like fam, RIZZ. Just give me one.
Okay, you start from the first one.
This?
First, yeah. Where's his face?
Fam, it's not even.
Yeah, just go in order. Start from the first picture. Show the
People
whole.
in the chat.
Yes, these are people watching us right now. So I'm gonna just show you a couple pictures so you
Because
get.
I'm gonna say I've got a very loose mouth. I don't mean to cuss.
It's fine.
I'm gonna show you a couple pictures just so you can get an idea of what they look like.
Can they all please be of age?
Oh,
They are.
Pass.
No, thank you.
Hold on,
There's more pictures. There's more pictures.
No,
Too picky.
3 out of 10.
3 out of 10.
Yeah, 3 out of 10.
Go on,
Remember, her type's Asian.
Oh.
No, but I was still fine. A fine guy, fine.
Oh yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
No, he's kind of cute.
No.
So give him a rating. Give him a
Out of
rating.
10.
Oh, I'd probably say maybe like a 5.
A 5?
And that's cute.
That's cute.
Free.
A 5 out of 10 is cute to you.
In it. It's a 5. No, it's not.
He's like pretty.
Alright, next guy.
The next Jordan.
Jordan, go right here.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Oh.
Oh.
I got you. This guy right here.
Good foot. Oh. Yeah, keep swiping, thank you.
Too tight or you
Any
No,
more
that's
pictures?
fine. Thank you.
Just this one, I think,
Yeah,
unfortunately.
10 out of 10 still. 10.
Who's next?
Who's next? Someone dropped theirs earlier. Let me see.
Let me know, Rome.
Hmm?
So let me know, Mud.
Who's this guy?
Right here. Nah, just this guy.
Yeah, no.
No, thank you.
No,
No?
pass.
Out of 10, like, what would you give him?
0.
Like a 0 below, or?
I can't see his face, so I'm giving it a 0. Like,
On the side profile, I'm giving it a 1.
like, I need to see like a face.
Yeah, he ain't got no
1
face.
for effort.
What? Yeah, A for F. A, yeah, literally.
Yeah.
Yeah. I feel like I'm on a Marvin's live. How old are you?
I don't know if he's underage or
Yeah, like
he
4.
looks a bit underage.
Wait,
Oh.
what?
Yeah, like 4.
Underage.
Yeah,
He looks underage?
Yeah, he
Yeah, he
does.
does.
Might as well go Swaby.
Nah, he's 22.
I don't believe that.
He's 22.
Swear to
I'd rather
God.
see a picture of his ID,
What about
to be
this
honest.
guy?
Yeah,
No.
that's you. I paid for in the house, everybody.
Next one is Swabby, something like that. Swaby.
Maybe, I think this is a picture of him. I think so.
I need to see a face. Nope.
This guy right here.
That's you.
Is it me?
That's you.
It's a page. It's a page there.
Just swipe out.
That's a clean case.
That's you.
Is
Hello.
it?
Yeah.
Right, he shows the greatest one, I guess.
Hello.
Yeah, that is you. I do like your outfits though.
Pardon?
Do or don't?
I do.
Oh, okay, thanks.
Yeah, slow.
We're just in the resort.
Can we get a number?
What was the reading?
Mom, what's the rating?
Smash. We're in the resort.
Who's next, Mud?
One life, now what is it? She goes to, I gotta go in it.
So when she told you that story, how'd you react?
To what?
She's putting her phone in the microwave.
No, she moved out literally the day before that.
Oh.
Yeah.
When she told me it was in the microwave, I just said it was so, how does that even happen?
Yeah.
My head was everywhere.
And it worked after?
No. Had to go get it fixed.
What phone was it?
This one, 13. 13. Yeah.
Somebody said, damn, his chain is long. It's like an anchor.
Like an anchor, man said.
I'm sorry, who said that again? CBFW Cash. Oh, okay. Interesting. I remember that still.
Alright, anchor neck.
Yo! So we got jokes now. Yeah. And connect.
That was dread, I'm not gonna lie. That was so dread.
Ham and cheese now this. You're brave though. Guy with long chain has 3 kids and 3 baby mamas.
Okay, no, stop it.
I'm reading.
Actually, stop it. Stop.
Read chat, fam.
You didn't say that. Let's see.
That guy's verified as well.
Verified. ICJ.
No, I don't know who that is. No.
Guys are just chat.
I don't got no kids. Don't worry about me.
What does that say? What's it? Oh shit.
You guys want to do any excursions?
Huh?
You guys doing any excursions?
What happened? You guys got scammed?
No, we're going on a boat trip on Thursday.
It's her birthday on Thursday. She turns 24.
Oh, big birthday.
Yeah. That's all we've done.
Oh, okay. Alright.
We were meant to go on one yesterday, but it got cancelled.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Somebody started kicking off like a monkey on the boat.
There was a whole heap of arguments on the boat.
So it was like, we just had to stop. Like, we just get
Yeah.
Are you guys serious?
Yeah.
No, so it goes like Canada, USA, Mexico. We're all,
Yeah, but
all
that's
different.
that's in Central America though,
It's
isn't
in
it?
North America.
Okay, but then you got like,
Central America is like here.
nah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, this is, is it?
It's in the Caribbean, but it's still like Central America.
Okay. Learn something new every day. What about like Thailand and that? You guys want to go Thailand and that?
Go to.
Like South Asia, like Thailand.
Oh yeah.
He's actually been there. Jeez.
September?
Huh? Yeah, September.
September what?
28th.
Ooh.
Where were you? Where are you?
27.
Oh,
Yeah.
crazy.
Insane.
To be
02?
Yeah.
Damn.
she's definitely not. Wait. You're 03?
No, me too.
Yeah, she is. She's 22.
I thought he was like the O2 was in the O2 arena and that. I was like, what you guys on about?
We don't have an O2 arena.
Yeah, we do.
Not in Sheffield.
Oh, Manchester we do though.
Yeah.
What's the Sheffield United Stadium?
We do in Sheffield.
Why DSA?
The O2 is literally in town.
Oh yeah, oh, that's shit. That's the academy.
Yeah, but it's still the O2.
But it's an academy. It's not an arena.
Yeah, but it's still O2. It's still
Oh,
O2.
it's not arena, it's just O2 place?
O2 academy.
Oh, O2
People
Academy.
still
It's a
hold
lot
concerts
smaller.
in there.
Yeah.
Like BBCC held a concert in
Wait,
there.
who holds the concert?
Bad Boy Chili Crew.
Big what?
Wait,
What?
would you guys tell me again? B what?
BBCC. Bad Boy Cheddar Crew. Sick. Like baseline and that.
You like those? The BB.
Do you know what baseline is?
Baseline? Nah.
Nah. You guys know what baseline is?
Just chatting shit.
Oh,
Oh, that stuff.
Oh, you talking about raves?
Kinda.
No?
Most raves are like techno and DNB.
And like house. You get house raves.
EDM and shit, yeah.
Jordan, 22 and 23, right?
Yeah.
About to turn 24.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On Thursday.
On Thursday.
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got a boat party for a birthday.
Oh, it's close.
With the music and stuff in it.
With the music and stuff in it.
And an open bar.
Yeah, literally. Can't wait.
Okay.
You guys should come.
Yeah?
It's with the Dreamers.
With the what?
The Dreamers?
The Dreamers?
Dream something. I think it's called the Dreamer.
Oh, the Dreamer boat?
Yeah, I smell like that.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna put my hand over the camera.
Wrong hand.
Okay.
Well, you gotta grab like the whole.
No, you have to grab it.
Ice on my neck, cost like 5K. I want a girl built just like Kim K.
Look, your turn.
What?
Your turn.
My said to do what? Just grab it.
Grab the camera, yeah.
Wrong hand.
Why is it wrong hand?
Because you see it in the clip, he uses his left hand.
Oh.
Ice on my neck, cost like 5K. I want a girl built just like Kim K.
W ball knowledge. They holding all W's in this chat.
I think it was meant to be.
W ball knowledge.
Does that say it? Is that a USB stick? I think it's talking about you.
Is that a USB stick, Ember?
Saying L lungs. Damn.
You know any Toronto slang?
No. That's not Drake.
You just know Drake?
Drake.
Say a word.
What's your favorite Drake song?
Oh, I love Finesse.
Not really.
Yeah. I love Finesse.
Who's your favourite artist?
Mine?
Yeah.
First the Kid.
Who is that?
I could have guessed that.
Who is that?
Look him up. He's good.
I did, but I don't have any of his songs on my playlist, so I couldn't really.
He was popping back in like 2016, 2017, yeah. After that, nobody's heard
That's
of him.
actually no cap.
9 years ago now.
Yeah. He's
What?
stuck in the past.
Nearly 10 years ago.
Yeah?
Yeah, crazy.
That's probably why he didn't sell at the show, fam.
How much was it?
20 at the auditorium.
Damn. A 300 seater?
Yes. 300 people could go. He sold not even 20 tickets.
Only 300 people at the concert.
That's what I'm saying. He's not that big, is he?
No.
Not no Drake,
Hey,
huh?
no, but I'm pissed off at Drake, right? Because in the UK,
Hmm.
this guy has no bills to pay whatsoever, right? And
Right.
he put the tickets at an extortionate price. For what reason?
How much was it?
What was it? It was like £6 for 2 tickets.
Yeah.
That's it? You should see OVO Fest.
Yeah, but
That's different.
yeah, that is different. No, but he's going on tour in the UK as well.
Oh.
Yeah.
You could have just went to Wireless for like 100 and something, no?
Yeah, but we were here for Wireless.
Damn.
Yeah.
Shensia.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
She's been on stage with this year.
Yeah?
Yeah, in Manchester.
You must have a video of that.
She's famous.
Where's the video?
Oh, I know what she definitely made you twerk.
No, she
Shamsia?
Oh.
Milan said she wasn't
did?
gonna dance, so then you sang together, didn't you, Milan?
Yeah.
You're gonna show the stream your video.
Oh, you...
Of you
Look
together.
at the track. What song was it? It's like Shangyang Anthem? That's crazy.
Huh?
It's in UK?
Yeah.
Drake? Drake's up there still.
There's this guy in Manchester called Only Saint Vibes. He's great.
Oh, yeah?
But he's really low key. He's just like normal.
No, local artists are good too.
Yeah, but he is. He's really good.
Let me see that.
I'm low-key already famous, so just top up the clout, guys. That's all I'm
Bad.
asking for.
All right, guys. Do not follow her. She heard it here first.
Top up the clout.
Pot of paper.
Who's your favorite, Muddy?
Me?
Yeah.
They already know Mud.
Right.
Who's your
Ezekiel?
favorite?
Ezekiel.
boy.
Oh, it's
Young boy.
I'm the young one. Who's your favourite?
Logic.
That's a bit
Nice to meet you, Romeo.
Romeo.
Nice to meet you,
And you.
Romeo.
Couldn't?
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you know, big sway.
See you later.
Chat, how much on the base gonna drop it again?
I know you're scared. It wasn't turning off.
Wait, it wasn't turning off?
It wasn't.
Bro got sold up boosh whoosh.
Nice one, Sway, but fan in the room.
Huh?
Wait, say that again?
Fan in the room.
A lie? They heard that.
Oh, was that the little pause laugh?
Lucky. No, I'm fine.
Oh.
Okay, chill out.
Oh.
chill. No, that's not. No, that's crazy contact.
Oh.
Like, wait, did I just hear that?
Curry, back to Iguodala.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Ryan.
Oh my god, that's a cat right there.
Okay. Them I'm not scared of.
Like little cats?
It's not even Lico, but cats in general I'm not scared of.
I rate a cat though.
Super. I would, but like, I'll get an outdoor cat.
It has to be like on like ground though.
It's a cat that just knows where home is.
Actually, am I lying? I think a cat right now would be kind of cool actually.
I don't know about all that.
What's that mean? Little cat. Oh. Yo, just tell them. Wait, so we're trying to be lobby for 8?
I don't know.
Well, it's like 10:30.
I think I'm gonna just go back to the room after anyways.
No, but you're going to their room, right?
I might barely sleep, I can't lie.
That's what I'm saying. I'm going to bed.
Right now?
Like, yeah.
I guess.
I need max energy.
4.
Bro, what? Airport shit? Bro, I get stressed out.
Stressed out?
Yeah, but I try to just stay calm.
What's stressing about the airport?
Bro, your passport, your boarding pass, all this dumb shit.
You what?
Oh, that's a girl.